1, 2, 3. Baby, 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 don't you know yet? I've been on a high.
Welcome back to my channel. I've got a Simply Be haul for you. Haven't bought an awful lot. I've got it up here, the bits and pieces that I've actually bought. As I say, I didn't buy loads and loads. I didn't, to be fair, I don't really need it, but there was one thing I really wanted, and it was in the sale, so I got it. And it's this. Okay, it's a lounge set. I love myself getting into my what we call our innie outies, and innie outies are something that you're really comfortable at home in, so like they feel like your pajamas, but actually if someone came to the door you don't look like you're in your jammies, and if you wanted to pop out, if you needed to pop round to the shop or something, you still look okay. You don't look like you've gone round in your pajamas. So yeah, there are innie outies. Anyway, I saw this. The official name is loungewear. So these are the trousers. They're in this grey. I love grey. I think it's quite flattering, you know, on everyone. Anyway, these are the trousers. So they're almost like a sort of light slate grey, aren't they, in colour? They've got a pocket at each side, which I love myself, a pocket. So you always need somewhere to pop a tissue, right? It is an elasticated waist. It has also got a drawstring here, which is a working one. It's not there just for decoration. If you pull it, it does like bring it in, look. Okay. The bottom of the legs are just straight across at the bottom, so it's quite a wide leg, what I call a real comfortable bottom where you can just curl up on the sofa, no restriction whatsoever. And yeah, I got this in size 18 to 20, so it's going to be really lovely. It's thick enough to be warm in the winter months, but it's also that sort of material that's not going to overheat you in the summer. Let's have a look and see if it does say what material it is in here. Okay, it's 60% cotton and 40% polyester, so it's probably the cotton part of it that's really making it feel like it would be really sort of cool and airy in the summer months but warm in the winter months. So that's the bottom. The thing was, I had an email about the sale that they had on, so you know, I had a quick look. I didn't need an awful lot of things, but I did pick up a few bits anyway. Okay, this is the top. There we go. So it's got a round scoop neck here, and then it's got the sleeves, sort of quarter length sleeves, come down about similar to this t-shirt that I've got on, and it's just sort of a boxy shape really. The line, not the lining, the little detail at the back here says Stay at Home Club. That's in like a really pale pink look. Okay, and I just thought it was really lovely. Really like it. And I will pop this on and show it to you, either on video or by photograph, but I will pop it on so that you can see. So how much do you reckon it was then? Knowing how much like leisure wear is, I paid £10.80 for that. I thought that was really good. That's almost like a Primark prices really, isn't it? But yeah, £10.80. Bargain, eh? Then I got these little slippers. How cute are these? I mean, they're ideal to wear now, and I still love them in the winter. These were, in comparison to the leisure set, these were not cheap. These were £10, but I just thought they were so lovely. They're really fluffy. I've got these in the small, and they're really sort of squidgy, memory foamy, cozy, comfy. And then you pop your foot in, and then you've got like your little toes. If you've just painted your toenails, then once they've sort of dried off a bit, you're not gonna sort of like mess up any of the polish, are you? And it's got this lovely like a crossover style here. Don't know if you can, yeah, I think you can see that, can't you? There you go. And they're really like fluffy. and luxurious. I just thought they were lovely and I couldn't resist them, so I picked those up and I thought they'd go beautifully with my little leisure set. And also picked up a pair for my daughter to go with her birthday present. One of my daughters, her birthday is on the 24th of July, so I'm not going to put this video up until after that, of course. And this is to go with one of her other presents that I've got her. So they're exactly the same as mine, but only a bit bigger. So yeah, I got those for her because I knew she'd like them. And then when I was ordering it online, I was then prompted to go into what they call like they've got like a special perks sort of club, and so I was like directed to go into there. I could choose an item for free, and there were several things there, to be honest. There was like OPI nail polishes, there was discounts off this, discounts off that, lots of different things, and there was this on there, and I thought, I'm going to go for this. Okay. And this is by Built New York. It's a 480ml bottle. It's got the perfect seal. It's leak proof. It's double walled, vacuum insulated. It's BPA free, 18/8 stainless steel. It stays cold for 24 hours and it stays hot for 6 hours. So I thought that was really, really good. Double wall vacuum sealed construction maintains the optimum temperature of hot or cold beverages for an extended period of time. Conveniently fits in most automotive cup holders. Durable Titan lid with perfect seal. Technology is leak and spill proof. Yeah, I thought this was really good, and it looks good as well. As I said, I didn't have to pay anything for this, so I don't even know how much this would be, but I reckon it would be at least a good £10. That's what it looks like. That's what the top looks like, and it's got the logo built on the top of the lid, and then oh, you could hear how that sort of comes out. You could hear the noise. So, and then just pop the little lid back on again, push on and screw it up. Yeah, got that as a little perk, a little extra. So thank you for that, Simply Be. Really, really appreciate it. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up because that means a lot to me. And, you know, I know that you like this type of a video then. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, I'd love you to subscribe.